So we are considering using this as the packet for survival seeds this year. We just got this, and we're planning on trying a germination test to see if it works, and I'll show you guys what's inside of it, but to see how well it germinates, and then we may use this packet as what we send to all of the survival seeds participants, which means you can get a free set of seeds, possibly this set, if you join the Survival Seeds collaboration. And a huge thank you to the Cool Beans Club for helping fund the shipping for the seeds we send out. Right now that's Jesse and Lisa at Lazy Days Ahead, Lori, It All Adds Up, Robin Hood Homestead, and the Vineyard Chicks Band. But this pack is really well sealed, actually. It comes with watermelon, zucchini, I know Caleb will love that, spinach, cantaloupe, I haven't heard of these before, shishito peppers, I think I have heard of them, tomatillos, I've heard a lot of people like these, but we've never tried growing those ourselves, bell peppers, Roma tomatoes, cucumbers, I know a lot of people wanted cucumbers to be part of the survival seeds, celery, basil, and pink brandywine heirloom tomatoes. So that is what is going to be come in these sets of seeds, and we're going to do a germination test, so you can stay tuned for that video, should be out soon, to see how well these germinate and if we're going to be sending these to all of the survival seeds participants.